Now we are going to see the derivation of expression for the work done in isothermal process. So we know in general work done formula for any thermodynamic process W is equals to integration of P into dV, and we know for isothermal process PV is equals to constant, and that can be written as PV is equals to P1 V1, and this P is can be written as P1 V1 by V by sending V this side, and write work done formula for isothermal process from 1 to 2, and if you write that work done W is equals to integration of 1 to 2 P into dV, and see here in the place of P we can write P1 V1 by V. From this equation PV is equals to P1 V1, and from that P is equals to P1 V1 by V we can write. So in the place of P write P1 V1 by V into dV, and see here P1 V1 are the pressure and volume of the system for at the place 1. So these are at the place 1, pressure and volume are constant, so we can write outside the integration, and here the variable is V. So this is to be integrated. So you write this P1 V1 outside and integration of 1 to 2 1 by V dV, and we know that formula of integration of 1 by x into dx is equals to log e into x. So from that we can write in the place of x we have V, so we can write here integration of 1 by v dv is equals to log e v. So this can be further it can be written as uh, log e. So apply the limits, upper limit and lower limit. So this is log e is nothing but ln we know, and it is upper limit is 2 and lower limit is 1, means it is ln v2 upper limit minus lower limit ln v1. So from that we can write ln w is equals to p1 v1 ln v2 by v1. Why? Because here it is in the form of log a minus log b, we can observe here, and this log a minus log b formula we know that it is log a by b. So from that in the place of a we have v2, in the place of b we have v1. So it is log a by b, means it is log and ln are same, so it is ln v2 by v1. So if you want to write in the work done formula in the form of pressures, we can write here this formula as the P1 by P2. Why? Because we know for isothermal process it is P1 V1 is equals to P2 V2. So if you write V2 by V1 it is equals to P1 by P2. So we can write in the form of volumes and in the form of pressures like this. So for more videos please subscribe and activate bell symbol. Save water, save energy, save earth. Thank you.